Alright coffee lovers, let's dive deep into one of the most magical and misunderstood moments in coffee roasting, the Maillard reaction. You've probably heard the term tossed around by coffee pros, but what actually is it? The Maillard reaction is a complex dance between amino acids and reducing sugars that kicks off when things get hot, literally. We're talking temperatures over 140 degrees Celsius or about 285 Fahrenheit. But why does it matter? Well, when those sugars and amino acids meet, they combine to create hundreds of new flavor compounds. This reaction is actually what takes your beans from grassy and bland to that rich, aromatic, caramelly goodness we crave in every cup. Think of it like baking bread. The crust's color and flavor come from the same reaction. No Maillard, no coffee flavor, it's that crucial. Now here's the nerdy bit. Scientists have identified the Maillard reaction as a series of steps. It starts with the carbonyl group of a sugar reacting with the amino group of an amino acid. This produces what's called an amidori compound. Sounds fancy, right? Over time, heat causes these compounds to break down, recombine, and spiral into even more complex molecules, like melanoidins. These are the guys responsible for coffee's brown color and deep flavors. But it's not just about flavor. The Maillard reaction also produces aromas. You know that punchy, toasty smell when you walk past a cafe roasting beans? That's the Maillard reaction in full swing, releasing volatile compounds that scream fresh coffee. The trick, though, is balance. Too little Maillard reaction and the coffee tastes flat and sour. Too much, and you veer into burnt, ashy territory. Roasters carefully modulate temperature and time to let the Maillard magic do its thing without overdoing it. That's why medium roasts often have the most balanced flavors. They hit the sweet spot where the reaction's at its best. There are still some mysteries about this process. Researchers are constantly finding new compounds and trying to explain why some coffees taste fruity, chocolatey, or nutty. But at its core, the Maillard reaction is about transformation, turning green beans into something truly drinkable. So, the next time you sip your morning brew, remember, the Maillard reaction is the unsung hero behind every flavorful cup. Science in your mug, every single morning. This was 60 Sec University Nider 166, brought to you by lapreuve.com, your source for nopal and pinole.